Hello, I'm Wellprepared-kun. Since people working in the service industry interact with all kinds of people every day, they especially need to be careful about infections. Today, let's take restaurants as an example and learn about infection control when an employee has a high fever. I haven't been feeling well since the weekend. I've got work again from today, so I'll have to do my best and go. I'm looking forward to working with you again today. Cough. As I thought, I still feel sick. Right, I'm feeling a bit sick. Fever? I was in a hurry and haven't taken my temperature today. What? Was it a rule? I'll take my temperature then. Oh no, I have a fever of 38 degrees. I'll have to tell the manager. I was warned about coming to work with a fever. My manager said that if I had worked, customers could have been affected. I didn't have meals with friends or go out, but I should ask for advice earlier when I'm not feeling well. My manager kindly contacted a nearby hospital, and it sounds like I can take the PCR test at the fever outpatient department. I'll visit the hospital and take it easy today. That day, the manager shortened the restaurant opening hours and also had the employee who talked with Oopsie Daisy-chan when she came to work go home early. The next day, Oopsie Daisy-chan fortunately tested negative to the PCR test and went back to work after she got better. What do you think? Now, let's look back at what we can do to prevent infections. Number 1. In any business type, employees should always take their temperature before going to work and promptly talk to their manager when they are not feeling well. Number 2. When you get infected with COVID-19, the people you interacted with will also be affected. When you serve customers, be conscious that you may be transmitting the virus. Number 3. As for managers, when employees show signs of infection like high fever, consider the necessity of closing the restaurant. Depending on the time and place, by honestly telling the truth to customers, try to give a heads up. Today's 3 precautionary measures. Number 1. Employees should always take their temperature before going to work and promptly talk to their manager when they have a high fever or are not feeling well. Number 2. Always act consciously that you may be transmitting the virus. Number 3. Managers in the service industry should strictly manage employees' health and prevent the spread of infection. Be prepared and have no regrets. Welcome to Araba! Let's all take thorough countermeasures against infections.